Ahoy, Yacht Rockers! Got a tough question for you. Who makes it on your Mount Rushmore of Yacht Rock? Now, I found this image on the internet that I think gets it at least half right. You got Kenny Loggins and Michael McDonald. Who's going to argue that? That's a no-brainer. They're on there. So 2 spaces gone. Who gets the final 2 spaces in your Mount Rushmore of Yacht Rock? Now, they've got Boz Scaggs and Christopher Cross. All right, that's good. But you could argue there. There's some wiggle room. Who could maybe take those last 2 spots? Maybe Hall & Oates, maybe Steely Dan, Pablo Cruz, Jimmy Buffett. What do you think? Your 4 Mount Rushmore spots of Yacht Rock. Let me know. Stay smooth.